This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open House SAT 827 and Son 828 12-3. This is your opportunity to own a piece of history in picturesque downtown Smithfield. A welcoming front porch ushers you into this beautifully renovated home. Pride of ownership shines through in every room of this home. A newly renovated kitchen is a cook's dream, beautifully appointed, with an oversized island, gas stove, and open to the huge dining area. The well-maintained wood floors are original, and oversized windows usher in an abundance of light. 3 windowed walls surround the multi-purpose room, great for TV, crafts, or workout room. The renovated bath upstairs is spacious with beautiful detail. The detached garage includes a workspace for hobbies or extra toys. This home is central to the Windsor Castle Park and walking trails, Smithfield Station, and the downtown Smithfield shops and restaurants, and gives you a front row seat to Smithfield festivities. You owe it to yourself to check out what this Smithfield lifestyle is all about. For more information, review the details below.